in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Honorable Simplicia Neri, present. Honorable Lordy Fuentes Cipres, Honorable Catherine Lim, Honorable Cecil Co, Honorable Marcelo Romero II,
Present.
Honorable Roland Suizo Jr.,
Present.
the Honorable Daniel Lau, Honorable Juanito Sakin Jr., Honorable Marcelian Tapayan, Honorable Saulo Salvador, Honorable Sancho Waminal Jr., Honorable John Carlo A. Moralion, Honorable John Fel Duhay Lungsod, Honorable Relinda Bation. All members are present, Your Honor.
Considering that all members are present, the Chair declares a quorum. May I request Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the order of business.
Yes, thank you, Honorable Chair. Good afternoon, everybody. Our agenda, we have no visitors or guests availing of the people's hour, Honorable Chair, so we proceed to item number 5, approval of the agenda for the day. There are 7 written proposed initiations, Honorable Chair, to our order of business as follows. Number 1, resolution authorizing the local chief executive, Honorable Henry Waminal Jr., to enter into and sign on behalf of Osamis City the memorandum of agreement with the 51 barangays of Osamis City for the grant of 50,000 pesos relative to each barangay pista and araw activities. Second written proposed initiation is a resolution approving the UHC orientation and consult updates on 15 April 2024 by Local Health Insurance Office, Osamis, in Osamis City. Third proposed initiation is a resolution approving the Barangay Microbusiness Enterprise orientation from 18 April to 15 May 2024 by the Department of Trade and Industry, Provincial Office in Osamis City. Fourth proposed initiation is a resolution approving the field survey activities relative to the implementation of the project National Soil Health Program on 24 April 2024 by the Department of Agriculture, Bureau of Soils and Water Management in Osamis City. Written resolution number 5, a resolution approving the wholesale selling price survey for the months of April, May, and June 2024 by the PSA Provincial Office in Osamis City. Number 6, proposed initiation is a resolution approving the training on agarwood cultivation and inoculation level 1 on 13 to 14 May 2024 by DM Infinite Forestry Nursery in Osamis City. The last but not the least, 7th proposed initiation is the 2024 annual budget of Barangay Kinamansur in the amount of 3,272,592 pesos. These are the 7 written propositions on the I did promote and then mission to approve the agenda for the day with 7 written proposed instructions on the
Presented by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of our agenda for today with 7 inclusions as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 6, approval of the minutes of previous session. Everybody was given copies of the minutes of our regular session on March 19, 2024. I guess everybody was able to peruse and examine the quotas thereof, Honorable Chair. In that regard, I move the motion to dispense with the reading of the minutes of a previous regular session on March 19, 2024 and approve said minutes in toto, Honorable Chair.
There's a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to dispense the reading of the minutes of the previous sessions and approve the same. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 7, first reading, reverse business. Please proceed to letter B. Proposed resolution on the days of Honorable Marcelian Tapayan, a resolution reverting the total amount of 213,400 pesos from capital outlay, furniture and pictures, 140,000, information and communication technology equipment, 50,000, maintenance, other operating expenses, repair and maintenance, machinery equipment, other machinery equipment, 20,400, to be reverted to the following items: semi-expendable machinery and equipment expenses, ICT equipment, 104,891, repair and maintenance, semi-expendable machinery and equipment expenses, 50,509, other maintenance and operating expenses, 20,000. I move on the motion to approve this revision for the first reading with revisions, Honorable Chair.
Move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for first reading with reservations as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Due to the urgent demand of public interest and to espouse and fiscal management and to afford our City Council with sufficient equipment which are insufficient at present due to various requests from our staff, Honorable Chair, for the computer and printer and scanner, and also to be able to afford the possible repairs and maintenance of our issued vehicles by the LGU of Osamis. I move this motion to approve this revision for the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, Honorable Chair.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution of the Honorable Marcelian Tapayan, move for its approval on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Letter C, petitions or requests proceeding, Barangay 2024 annual budgets duly endorsed by the City Budget Officer for approval. 13 barangays, namely Barangay Santa Cruz, Barangay Bombong, Calabayan, Lamaan, Tabid, Magakay, Jaconsulo, Tanma Manabay, Kabinti, Kapuka Papel, Dalapang, Liposong, Kalangan, Trigos, Pulot, Tinago, Kogon, and Gutkanjot, with the corresponding amounts of the annual budget of the barangay, Honorable Chair. I now yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Barangay Affairs, Honorable John Carlo Moralion, to introduce and recommend action on these 18 items, annual budgets of the 18 barangays of Osamis City, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable John Carlo Moralion is hereby recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Majority Floor. Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to pass the Barangay 2024 annual budgets of the 18 barangays. The following are Barangay Baybay Santa Cruz in the amount of 4,490,514 pesos. Barangay Bungbong in the amount of 4,845,321 pesos. Barangay Calabayan in the amount of 6,717,505. Barangay Lamaan in the amount of 626,143. Barangay Tabid in the amount of 6,096,885. Barangay Bagakay in the amount of 7,142,079. Barangay Doña Consuelo in the amount of 7,382,200. Barangay Katadman, 8,056,471. Barangay Cabenti, in the amount of 2,900,835. Barangay Kapukaw proper, amount of 3,320,662. Barangay Dalapang, in the amount of 2,911,611. Barangay Lipusong, 3,219,633. Barangay Karangan, amount of 7,240,072. Barangay Trigos, 3,258,122. Barangay Pulot, 7,244,832. Barangay Tinago, 12,550,653. Barangay Kugon, 4,039,457. Barangay Kutukanjut, 3,336,622. I would like to pass for first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
The Honorable Moralion is passing this 8th Barangay 2024 annual budget for first reading with reservations as being presented. Motion approved.
Madam Chair, considering the necessity and urgency of the said annual budgets, and it is being reviewed by the City Budget Office, I would like to pass for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to urgency of this request, the Honorable Moralion is passing this 2024 annual budget of the 8th Barangay for the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Is there any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. We proceed to letter D, page 2, messages and communications. Number 1 and number 2 are resolutions 285-24 and 286-24 of the Second Number Legal of Misamis Occidental, approving our ordinance on the grant of grace period for payment of business taxes and fees, as well as our ordinance authorizing temporary closure of a portion of Laurel Street up to the segment of City High Drive and Pingo Street on October 7, 2023. Honorable Chair, this is a resolution of the Second Legal. I recommend that this resolution be just donated and recorded City Council. Honorable Chair.
On messages and communications for items number 1 and 2, move by the Honorable Majority Leader that this be just duly noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 3, basic communication dated March 22, 2024 from Indira A. Carpio, OIC, Supervising Auditor, Commission Audit, management letter on the compliance audit of transfer of the unexpended balance of local disaster risk reduction and management fund to the special trust fund and the reversion of balances still unutilized after 5 years to the general fund for the period January 1, 2023 to December 31, 2023. Honorable Chair, we are glad by the findings of the Commission Audit, and may I read the conclusion on this audit. Based on the audit work performed, we found that the City of Misamis is compliant in all material respects with the provisions of the last paragraph of Section 21 of the Public Act number 10121 as expounded in items 5.1, 5.10, and 5.1.13 of the COA Circular number 2012-002, September 12, 2012. So we congratulate the LGO for this compliance. And in the meantime, I recommend that this memorandum be just donated and recorded City Council.
This basic communications dated March 22, 2024 from Indira A. Carpio, the OIC Supervising Auditor, on the Commission on Audit, moved by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader that this be just duly noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 4, the LG Region 10 message dated March 18, 2024 with subject advisory dated March 7, 2024 regarding the submission of skills training requirement of barangays for the implementation of the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, TISDA, sa barangay program. Again, I move that this communication by the DILG be just duly noted and record City Council, Honorable Chair.
On item number 4, on the messages and communications, move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader that this DILG communications that we are in the receipt be just duly noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 5. DILG Urgent Message, dated April 2, 2024, subject, review and provide inputs on the draft Joint Memorandum Circular, GMC, on the creation of local housing boards and local interagency committees in local governments. This message is for the guidelines on the creation of local housing boards and interagency committees in LGUs, Honorable Chair, and we know that our LGU of Osami City has already created the local housing board of Osami City, Honorable Chair. So, unless there are remarks from Honorable Dicasiso, the Chairman of the Committee on Zoning and Housing, who is also a member of the Local Housing Board of Osami City, Honorable Chair, we proceed to item number 6.
Item number 5 be just duly noted.
Yes, Honorable Chair. Item number 6, letter dated March 25, 2024 from Attorney Salvacion C. Bakay, OIC, Public Affairs and Communication Service, Department of Interior and Local Government, with subject, alleged partiality of Punong Barangay Evelyn Laron Nicolas of Barangay 50 District of Osami City. Honorable Chair, we are informed that this was already a pending case before the court. Filed by the people of Philippines versus Christine Michael Nobal Isamson, accused. And this case was related to the concern and complaint filed by a certain Delilah Nobal of the 50th District, this court case, although already in court, is separate from any admin case filed with City Council. Since this is endorsed to us, for our action, and we are required to furnish copy also to the DILG on the action we have taken on this endorsement. I recommend, Honorable Chair, that we will respond by writing a letter to the complainant, Delilah Esnobal, to comply with the provisions of the Local Government Code in filing an administrative complaint against barangay officials by filing a verified complaint with a certificate of non-forum shopping, so that this august body could act officially on the said complaint, Honorable Chair, and we could convene as a quasi-judicial body to hear this complaint if ever this council would find merit to the complaint being filed by Ms. Delilah Esnobal. I have prepared a letter for signature of the Vice Mayor, Honorable Chair, and as a response to Ms. Delilah Esnobal of Gallardo Street, Agardo, Osami City, Honorable Chair.
Mr. Escobar?
Delilah Esnobal, his complaint is in favor of her daughter, Christine Michelle Nobal Isamson, who was trouble with the driver of by Captain of 50 District, Captain Kamadas, driver of his driver, has a certain problem with Christine Michelle Nobal Isabson. And according to Isnobal, it was her daughter who is the victim. But instead, the barangay captain caused the filing of case against her daughter in court for slight physical injuries in criminal case number 11225, Municipal Trial Court in Cities of Novosel. So, anyway, we could intervene on this matter if this August body should decide. However, we need to comply with the provision of the local government code that a complaint should be verified and should contain a sufficient non-problem shopping. If Ma'am Delilah Estebal will be able to comply, will be obliged to accommodate examine the merits of the complaint if we can proceed to hear this complaint on the motion.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader. Manifested by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader that considering that we are a quasi-judicial body, so manifested by a Majority Floor Leader that this complaint be responded by this council, by this August body, and the complaint should be verified.
Verified and with the bit of non-pronunciation to comply with the local government code before we could act officially on the matter on the motion.
So noted by the Chair. May I request the Honorable, Madam Secretary, to take note on the manifestation of the Majority Floor Leader regarding this item number 6.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 7, General Fund, saving of costs and other financial statements, Honorable Chair, available at the Office of Secretary of Sanggunian and can be available on demand upon the request of any member of the August Body. In the meantime, I move that this general fund financial statements be just unilateral record of City Council of Novosel.
These financial reports on general fund and other statements move with the Majority Floor Leader that this be just duly noted. Any comments or remarks? Hearing none, motion approved.
There are no committee reports submitted under item number 8. Item number 9, calendar of business. Please proceed to letter C. Unassigned business whereby we have 7 appointment sessions. I may start with the first appointment session, resolution authorizing the local executive Honorable Hindi Pamela Jr. to enter in and sign on behalf of Samis City the memorandum of agreement with the 51 barangays of Samis City for the grant of 50,000 pesos relative to its barangay pista and araw activities. And I here to the Chairman of the Committee on Barangay Affairs, Honorable John Carlo Moraleon, to introduce and recommend action on this first item on motion.
The Honorable John Carlo is hereby recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Majority Floor. Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to pass a resolution authorizing the local Chief Executive, Honorable Henry F. Ominana Jr., to enter and sign on behalf of Samis City the Memorandum of Agreement MOA with the 51 barangays of Samis City for the grant of 50,000 pesos relative to its barangay Fiesta and Araw activities. Passing for first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
For first reading with reservations, motion approved.
Madam Chair, considering the necessity and urgency of the said resolution, I would like to pass for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this particular resolution, Honorable Carlo is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
One TV special report.